Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, it's been so long. Okay, wow. I'm so happy to be back filming. You wouldn't imagine. And I've been gone for so long. I feel like it's been forever. It's been over a month for sure. I'm sorry, been going through some things. Life kicked in so hard, you guys. I just really needed to take the time. Originally, my plan was to come on and literally pretend like I wasn't gone and just keep posting videos. But you know what? I figured I should probably post this video, talk it out a little bit, get it out there. Let's mend this relationship. Let's talk it out, and then we can move on. So many of you guys have been asking me where I've been and if I'm okay. Thank you for asking. Thank you so much for your concern. I am better now. What I've been telling people is that I've been sick, which isn't completely inaccurate, but it's also not the whole truth. When it comes to sharing about your life online, it's such a fine art because there's a lot of people that shares everything, just everything about their personal life. There's absolutely no filter. There are some people that just don't post anything at all about their personal life. And I feel like I'm stuck in the middle where I share some aspect of my private life and sometimes I don't. I like to keep a lot of things to myself, but then other times I share a little bit. So having gone through what I've gone through and also talking to some of the female in my life about it, I figured I would put it out there. It's important to note at the time of filming this video, I fully intended to share what happened to me. And then I realized I wasn't posting the video. I really had to take a step back and realize why I wasn't doing it. This video was actually filmed literally 3 months ago and I just wasn't posting anything. So I realized I just wasn't ready to share. It's something really personal that happened and I'm not sure if I want to put it out there. So I'm sorry. This video is quite misleading, but I'm actually not going to share what happened. However, my hair was looking so cute, so I had to post this video regardless. Please forgive me, but just know that I am doing better. I have recovered mostly and I'm ready to move on and keep posting and do what makes me happy because YouTube has been my go-to and not having it in my life wasn't helping me heal, if that makes sense. So I do want to come back, but I'm not ready to share exactly what happened. So there's that. I don't know. Anyways, that's what happened to me. And yeah, I am really just trying to recover. Like I said, some days are better than others, and it's been really hard for me, but I'm better now. Well, I'm just taking it a day at a time, and today's a good day. I mean, look at my hair. Hello. I did my hair today, and I'm sort of feeling myself, you know? I'm feeling myself. So Jen is still here. Don't worry. Happy Jen is still here. It's just, you know, we just had a little hiccup on the road, but we're going to keep it moving. So yes. Moving on to my hair. My hair is looking fabulous, honey. Can nobody tell me nothing? Yes, it's been filmed. Yes, there's a tutorial coming. But unfortunately, there's 2 tutorials that's going to come up before this one. I know, I'm going to keep you on your toes. But trust me, the other tutorials are also good. Because I've been filming and I've had this huge, I don't know, wave of inspiration that came down. I guess from what I've gone through, I was so down, and the best way that I could think of making myself feel better is to do my hair, you know, do my makeup, do all the beauty things that I love, take care of my skin. Look at my skin, yeah. I know I'm wearing makeup, but like my skin is good under this. I've just been taking care of Jen, like my body, and I am loving it, girl. I'm feeling myself. You cannot tell me nothing. In the words of Cheesy, cannot talk to me anyhow. Okay. What I use to do my hair actually is a bunch of products that I got from Up North Naturals. I can't do this, but I'm gonna show you just a few. I got some of these products from Up North Naturals. It's so weird how it happened. I was on Instagram and they reached out to me and I was like, girl, I never use your products. And she was like, say what? And I was like, and she was like, I'm gonna send you some. And I was like, for real? And she was like, yes. And I was like, hey, woo woo. That's literally what happened. And yeah, so I've used her products to do my hair, and I'm really liking them so far. There is one product in particular that I did not use for this hairstyle. It's like a jelly. My hair was a flat, twist out, bend to knot out situation, and I didn't think that was needed for this, but I did use it while my hair was wet, just like a little tester to see what would happen. And this thing, I'm so excited now to use it because it like gave me curly hair, which is so weird, and like enhanced the little coils and kinks in my hair so prettily that prettily, is that a word? In such a pretty way that I can't wait to use this. So my next hairstyle is going to be something that I have to come up specifically for this little jelly so I can use it and see how my hair likes it. Anyway, so yeah, there's so many styles coming, and basically your girl is back, okay? Back from the dead, or almost dead, y'all. It was so bad. Anyways, I can't even talk about what I've gone through in details because it sucked. So yes, us females go through so much. My God. Oh, it feels good to just get it out. My God, I was all stressed out trying to talk about it, and like, it happened. It's gone. I just did. I did it. Woo! So I'm gonna see you guys soon. My plan now is to upload twice a week. I know I say that all the time, but I'm really gonna try. I'm gonna try to do it twice a week, and I am on Instagram every single day. So if you're trying to keep up with me or find out what I'm doing, follow me on Instagram. And I'm really been trying to grow my Instagram, y'all. I've been trying. So go ahead and support your girl. Follow, leave comments, because apparently that's what Instagram likes. Leave comments on my posts so that your girl can grow, so I can be out there, so I can be living my life. Okay, so I will be on Instagram. I'll see you guys there. And yes, I'll be on here twice a week. So my plan is to post one hairstyle video a week, because my plan is to do my hair weekly. And the other video will be miscellaneous videos, things that I like skincare, beauty, makeup, just talking type videos, whatever. So it'll just be a combination of things that I like and then hairstyle. That's my plans for now. My lip color, before I hop out of here, because I know someone's gonna ask me, where is it? I used my favorite lip combination. I have to get it. Hold up. Alright, so my favorite lip combination as of all times, really, I've been using this forever, is MAC Chestnut Lip Liner. It's not gonna focus. Now that I'm trying to show you something important, it's not gonna focus. So there, so this is MAC Chestnut Lip Liner, and then I use the NYX Liquid Lipstick, and this is in number 21. And then right on top of that, I used the Makeup Forever matte lipstick. This is in color, it's 107. These three, y'all, you can get away, to be honest, with these two. That's what I use on the regular if I'm just trying to quickly do my makeup. I always use just these two. So MAC lip liner and Makeup Forever liquid lipstick. This is like a little added bonus if you want to be like extra va-va-voom. If you're going out, girl, get you some, okay? Alright, so that is it. This video is probably hella long. I'm gonna get up out of here. I hope that you guys are doing well. It's been a long time. Let me know how you're doing. I should have been updating you guys on the Protective Style Challenge. What challenge, huh? I'm pretty sure it ends next week. So, I mean, I don't even know. This challenge was all over the place. But if you have an update for me, let me know. Let me know how your hair is doing. Let's have a little conversation down below. If you've gone through something traumatic recently, you know what, just put it out there. Put it out there and we'll talk about it. Nothing but love in the comments section, obviously. And I will be sure to reply to your comment because I'm that type of YouTuber. I like to talk to you guys. Okay? I'm getting up out of here and I will see you guys soon.